Good morning, class.
Good evening, madam.
Is it evening?
It's Kiroko. Yes, it's Kiroko. It's Kiroko.
Brian, stop that nonsense. It's morning. Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
Yesterday, I think so, we left in the disciples and we talked about the disciples, all of the disciples, the number of the disciples, and we listed down the disciples.
Yeah.
MT, how many disciples do you have?
9.
Brian, I can see you have a Bible.
Yes.
So you can confirm for us.
Yes.
Give us the name of the disciples said by MT.
Yeah, we said the first disciple was Mary, mother of Jesus.
Will you keep quiet?
Joseph, father of Jesus.
Child.
The third, David. The fourth, Pharaoh. 5, Kabaka Mutesawan.
Jesus.
6 was Cain. 7 was Abel. And 9 was Pharisees.
Nonsense. Did I teach you like that? I never come back to this class. Forget me, forget my face.